Hi, boys and girls. Hey, we finished our Module 2. That first workbook we were working on in math with all of the shapes. You guys have done a great job. We're going to keep moving on, though, and we'll keep remembering those shapes because they're going to be here forever, and we're going to talk a lot more about them. But we're going to start talking about some other things as well. This is Module 1. And this is the book that we will be working with. So, you don't need it yet. You need to listen for right now. But afterwards, there'll be some pages in here you're going to work on. All right? This is the first page. It's kind of easy. You're going to be amazed. We've talked about how things are same and different, right? I have a pen. I have a marker. Are they the same or are they different? Yeah, they are different. They are not exactly the same. You're absolutely right. I have two rectangles. Are they exactly the same? Well, they're pretty close. I would say they were exactly the same. What about these two rectangles? Are they exactly the same? They are not exactly the same. There's something about them that's different. One is longer, one is shorter. So, one of the pages here wants you to draw a line. They had a ruler that they used. You're going to use your pencil because it's math. Your name. And then you're going to draw a line from one picture to the one that is exactly the same. We have a rabbit. Looks like a bird or a quail. There's a dog, a skunk, and a squirrel. Now, there are some that are not exactly the same. Okay, they're not exactly the same. So you're going to find animals that are exactly the same and find animals that look like each other but they're not exactly the same. So see, there's a squirrel. A squirrel down here is exactly the same. But let's look at this. This is a skunk. Is that a skunk? They're the same, but are they exactly the same? No. So you're going to practice saying things like, they are the same, but this one is bigger and this one is smaller. You can still draw a line. The next page, again, you're going to be doing the same kind of thing. You're going to be pointing to the pictures that are the same. But if they're not exactly the same, you're going to use your words to tell somebody with you a sentence. Let's look at this bear. Do you see another bear that's just like it? I do down here. I would draw a line. They're the same, but are they exactly the same? No. So I would say, these two are the same, but this one is sitting up and this one is laying down. Make sure the adult that's near you, you can tell. Now see this cat here and here? They're the same cat. Are they exactly the same? They're not. Don't forget to tell the person with you what is different. You're going to do another page because these are quick. So today we're going to do all three of these pages. And this one you're going to draw a line between the objects that have the same pattern. You can talk with somebody about why you think they're the same. A pattern would be like the colors on it, the way it's made. So when you see this shirt here, there aren't any other shirts here. But do you see a shirt with the same pattern? Yeah, I'm sorry, not a shirt. Do you see something with the same pattern? Yeah, I do. These pants and these shirts go together. So your job today is going to be to do 3 pages, but they're not hard, are they? And all you need is a pencil. We're not going to be coloring. You're going to draw a line between those that are the same, and if they're not exactly the same, tell why. Again here, find the ones that are the same can tell somebody if they're not exactly the same. And here, you're going to draw a line between the pictures with the same pattern. Okay? Now, that's going to be your work for today. But remember our cards? And I had mentioned on during morning meeting that everybody has this card in their math kit. So that one can be added. There's another one, but only this card. So let's look at it together for a minute. What's the number on that card? I think you're saying it, but let's count it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. That's the 6 card. Now, we're going to talk about this a little bit more. I want you to remember that the 6 card has 3 on this side and 3 on this side. You ready? I'm turning it over. Can you imagine the 6 card in your head? I'm thinking about it. How many are on this side? 3. 1, 2, 3 on this side and 2, 3 on that side. We could do that with all our cards, couldn't we? You ready? What number is this one? That's the 5. Are you ready? Did you remember it? How many are on this side? 1, 2. How many are on this side? 1, 2. How many are in the middle? 1. That would make the 5 card. What's this one? That's the 4 card. You got it all memorized? Can you do it in your head? How many are on this side? 2 on this side. How many are on this side? 2. What's that card? It's the 4 card. You got it. There's our 3 card. We know there's more than one way to make a 3 card, don't we? But, well, how many? It's going to be 3 right down the middle. Sometimes there's a 3 card with a dot, dot, so 2 on the top and 1 at the bottom. So, after you do that, get out your ring, have somebody help you to take it off, because we don't want to break these. If you do break them, Mom or Dad could put a piece of tape on it and make a new hole. It will be fine. Practice with the 6 card. See if you can get that in your memory. And then, see if you can put them back in order. Line them up. What number first? You need your 1, and then you put in the 2, and behind that's going to be the 3, 4, 5, and 6. And when you're done with it, boys and girls, always put them away, because we're going to keep adding to this. You're getting smarter every minute. All right, so you know your job now? Think about your 6 card. Practice putting them in order. Get out that brand new math module. How many pages? Only those first 3. Use a pencil. Do nice, neat work. I can't wait to see it. And make sure you tell somebody next to you why they're not exactly the same. Have fun, boys and girls.